Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make your computer to speak whatever you're typing in there. Like, I mean to say, you can create your own software. It's a small software. Whatever you will type in that box, in that software, it will speak the same sentence or the words you're gonna type in there. So let me show you how you can create the software by your own. First of all, open the Notepad and in the Notepad type the same code which I have typed in here. You can see there, make sure there should be no any mistake. It should be the same the words, the code which I have typed in here. And once you type the complete code, save it, go to save, and let me save it on the desktop. And you can give any random name. Let me give the name here like textSpeak dot vbs. Make sure you can put any name, but extension should be vbs in order to make the software to be working. This is the extension for the that particular software, so you will have to give the same extension, which is .vbs. This is a file type extension. So once you save this, you can see there is a icon came up on my computer screen with the text speak, right? So now I'm gonna close this Notepad, and you can see once you get this icon on the desktop, just open that up. Now you can see speak to me with the heading. What do you want me to say? So let's you can type any random like sentence or the words. It will revert you back once you. So I'm gonna type in here computer tricks and tips, right? And I'm gonna click on OK.
Computer tricks and tips.
Got it? It's saying the same word, like whatever you're gonna type, then press OK. It will revert you back with the same word you're gonna type in there. Let's try one more time. I'm going to open it up. Okay, and again I'm gonna type something. Let's type welcome to my channel, computer tricks and tips. And I have just type in here welcome to my channel computer tricks and tips, and just simply press OK.
Welcome to my channel Computer Tricks and Tips.
Alright, this is the way how you can create the software, and whatever you're gonna type in there, it will just say you the same sentence and the words you will type in there. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more cool videos. Thank you.